Hello everyone. Now next visual is the line and stack column chart. Line and stack column chart. This chart combines a stack column chart and a line chart on the same graph. The chart will display one variable as a line chart and other variable as a column chart, each having its own y-axis. So let's see how we make it. First click on line and stack column chart icon on the visualization. Adjust its size. Now in the x-axis we'll move the region. On the y-axis we'll move the cell, and in the column legend we'll move the category. Now we can see it is the stack column chart. Now here we see another axis, that is line y-axis. On the line y-axis we'll move the quantity here. We can see here on the x-axis region name west, east, central, south. On the left side of the y-axis, we can see cells in the million like 0 0.2, 0 0.4, 0 0.6, 0.8, and each cell is divided into three different categories like furniture, office supply, and technology. And a dark blue color line is passing from the west to south in the decreasing trend. Means cells in the west side is highest and cells in the south is the lowest here. Now on the right side y-axis we can see the quantity 6k, 8k, 10k, 12k. So in this visual we can compare two different numerical values like cells and quantity. So this is all about the line and stack column chart.